Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the Capitec app and logging in with your fingerprint or 6-digit PIN. This keeps the session secure. Once done, check your profile to confirm your account is verified and your debit card is active, because limits change only on verified accounts. Make sure your phone number matches the bank records. You may receive an SMS code. If prompted, enter your ID number to proceed. This reduces friction during the limit change flow and prevents later verification delays. You now tap Manage or Account Settings and select Card and Limits. This is where Capitec groups spending controls. Once there, choose the specific card or account limit to adjust, daily withdrawal, card transaction, or ATM limits. Make the change using the sliders or numeric input and understand why. Higher daily limits increase convenience but raise fraud exposure, so balance accordingly. After adjusting, confirm on the summary screen and expect a brief processing step. The app usually applies changes instantly, but it will show a confirmation message. Finish by reviewing the confirmation message and saving any reference number. This proves the change was requested. Once done, restart the app and when safe, try a small test transaction to verify your new limit works. This confirms both processing and device settings. If the change doesn't appear, make sure the app is updated and your phone has a stable network. If problems persist, contact Capitec support with the reference number so they can trace the request, because many failures stem from verification or server delays.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.